Ishan, you are supposed to do the prayer.
Ma'am, I don't remember it.
Why? Whose responsibility is to remember, yours or mine?
Ma'am, I don't like to do the prayer.
You don't like to do the prayer? Why?
Because I don't like saying stuff like that. Because when every time I try to say it, something slips. My tongue always slips.
So if you don't practice, how will that work?
Ma'am, I practice, but for some reason it always happens
I
when
don't think you practice.
Ma'am,
You are more into complaining rather than practicing, Ishan. How
ma'am,
many times you have practiced it at home? Tell me,
ma'am,
honestly. Now,
I've practiced for the science presentation.
what science presentation?
Ma'am, the science thing that you were going to assign us.
What? What am I going to assign you?
Ma'am, this unit.
So, what correlation it has with prayer? Okay. Manha, quickly.
Yes. We
Okay.
the people of India.
We the people of India.
We the
Having
people of India.
solemnly resolved into
Having
constitute India.
Having solemnly resolved to
To
constitute
constitute
India
India
into a
Into a
sovereign,
sovereign, socialist,
socialist,
secular,
secular,
democratic
democratic
republic.
republic.
sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic,
And to secure to all its citizens
and to secure to all its citizens
justice, social, economic, and political
justice, social, economic, and political
liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship.
liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship,
Equality of status and of opportunity to promote among them all.
equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all.
Fraternity assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation.
Fraternity assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and the integrity of the nation.
In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949,
In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949,
do hereby adopt an act and give to ourselves this Constitution.
do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Jai Hind.
All set, all of you? Okay. Now I have very important discussion to do with all of you. I need to see everybody's notebook and pen or pencil. No ma'am and nothing. Jaslyn, when I'm talking, let me finish. Go get your books and pen or pencil or whatever you use to write.
Already have it.
I want to show. I want to see it right away. Show me.
It's here only. I have to show you button.
Ishan, show me.
What after show it, I have show you in my notebook.
Okay. Open up the notebook. Spandan, give today's date. Ishan, show me your notebook right now.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, yesterday I was not at home. We had went to a wedding, so we came late in the night, so I couldn't finish it. And we
I'm
had to go.
asking you to open your notebook. Did I ask you to show me any homework or something? Did I?
Ma'am, I wrote the date.
Ishan, this is the last time I'm asking you to show your notebook, or I will promptly put you in the waiting room. Do you want me to do that?
Ma'am,
I will do it immediately.
I wrote
Anha, your notebook.
the date. Ma'am, I wrote the date.
Very good. From your notebook, Ishan, science notebook. Open it up. Is it a science notebook for sure?
I think it's this or
Why do you think it is? And why you are not sure that it is?
God knows.
where is it? Oh,
Ma'am, I wrote the date.
Okay. Manha, did you write the date?
I'm writing that.
The time is running out.
Yes, ma'am, I wrote it.
Either you immediately show me your science notebook and write your date, or you are going to the waiting room. No ifs and buts.
Ma'am, I wrote the date.
Good girl. Huh?
I got lost.
Louder, Ishan. I can't hear you.
My science notebook got lost.
Huh?
My science notebook got lost.
Okay. I am putting you into the waiting room. As and when you find it, you come back and join the class.
I'm sorry, no.
No. Yes. I am sorry. I am sorry. You go and find it and then come back.
Ma'am, no, it got lost. As in, like, not in the waiting room. It got lost. I searched everywhere. I couldn't find it.
I don't know. You manage something. You get a book or whatever. I'm putting you in the waiting room. Once you think that you have the notebook or anything related to science or whatever. I don't know where have you been writing your science notes. You just text me, ma'am. I have arranged for a notebook or anything. I will
Ma'am, I don't have
promptly.
WhatsApp.
No,
Ma'am,
no,
I don't have
no.
WhatsApp.
Chat me here. No, in Zoom only. We are in the class. We are going nowhere. I will promptly allow you into the class. Okay. Now you go to the waiting room and
Ma'am, no.
quickly look for your
Ma'am,
notebook.
no.
Okay.
Ma'am, no.
Yes, Ishan. Okay. So now you see, we are nothing to smile, Spandan. There is nothing to smile. You would be the second. Okay. Now we are heading towards a science project. Okay. That I will guide you. That has nothing to do with your syllabus or whatever. Right. Listen to me very, very carefully. For this science project, I will just guide you and tell you what to do and when to do. And you have to keep on doing it. This science project will go for at least end of March. Okay, so it is going to be a long project, one project only. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today is Friday. Do you have a class with me on Monday? Yes, right? Okay. So today I am giving you some questions. Okay. You look up for the answers. As this is your first interaction with the project, I am not asking you to just look for anything. I am giving you some structured questions so you can understand what we are going to do in the project. Am I clear to all of you, to three of you?
Yes.
Yes? Right. Now, one question that I will ask to you, I remember Arnav asking me this in the class. Do you think that it is possible to grow plants without soil? Can anybody answer me?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And why would you say yes?
Because you can do it in like sawdust or cotton. It will still grow.
It will
You can
still.
also keep it in water.
So why do you think, Manha and Jaslyn, that it will grow if we even use water or sawdust?
Ma'am, my brother had done an experiment.
Because
in
the
one of his
plant also
classes.
needs water.
If we put all the nutrients in it, then it will work.
Can plants grow in water? This is your first question. Okay, second question. How plants can go and grow in water? How plants can grow in water? Second. Question 3. Quickly write down these two questions first.
Do you have to write the questions also?
Otherwise, how will you find out the answer? Ishan, where is your copy?
For it, it's not. I mean, ma'am, it's. I use one notebook for everything. I use one notebook for everything.
Why? Did I ask you to do it? Did you ask my permission before doing it? Did you tell me that, ma'am, I'm using only one book for 3 subjects? Do you do the same thing for your physical school?
Ma'am, no, there
Then?
are dedicated books.
Now, and here you are not getting books because it's a virtual school. But then what is stopping you from getting 3 different books for 3 subjects?
Ma'am, I can, but I really feel like doing it fast because every time
Are you in a position to decide that, Ishan? Who is the teacher here, you or me?
ma'am, but whenever I write, it takes.
Am I asking you to give reasoning behind your action? I am asking you to arrange a notebook or A4 sheets immediately. I am putting you again back into the waiting room. The next time when I allow, if there is nothing with you, you will not be continuing with today's class and might not be allowed to do the science project even. So be very careful in what you do next. Okay?
Yes,
Go to
yes,
the waiting room. Either you arrange for some or you
ma'am,
just
I have books, but I'm not able to find the science in them. I have them. It's hard to find the science I wrote in them.
that is not my lookout. It is your responsibility to maintain your notebook and everything, right? So Ishan, you go into the waiting room. I am calling you back after 5 minutes. By then, either you arrange 2, 3 sheets of A4 paper or a small notebook, whatever.
Ma'am, I have a notebook, but I'm not able to find the science in it.
I don't know.
Ma'am,
Either you
if I have a notebook, I should be allowed in, right?
no, you are not allowed. Are you the teacher to decide or am I?
Ma'am, you are, but we pay fees.
So you pay fees for what?
We pay fees for getting taught, ma'am. We don't pay fees for being put in the waiting room, do we?
Fees does not allow you to learn how to behave, Ishan. First, you need to know how you talk to your teacher.
Ma'am, I can behave,
No, you.
but I'm
What do you
not
mean?
getting
What do
respect.
you mean by I can behave?
Ma'am, I can. Why am I being put in the waiting room? Otherwise, I can behave if I'm not being put in the waiting room.
Because you are not behaving the way you are supposed to behave.
Ma'am, I will behave well.
No, I asked you to get at least 2 or 3 sheets of A4 paper, and you are talking about how much you pay.
Ma'am, but I have a notebook. That is
So
more
what?
but it is way more than 2, 3 sheets of paper.
You write everything in it. I don't want that. Either you get a separate notebook right now, or you get 2, 3 separate A4 sheets of paper.
I'm fine. I'll get separate sheets of A4 paper. Happy.
Okay? And Ishan, if from the next time you talk about how much fees you pay, this and that, I'll make sure that you don't attend my science class. Am I
Okay.
clear?
Yes.
Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. Are you done writing the questions, kids?
Ma'am, I'm writing. Should we write the answers also for it, or is this a homework?
You will find the answer and you will let me know by Monday.
Okay.
So, second question. Why should we grow plants in water? That is the next question. Why should we grow plants in water? This is your third question.
Ma'am, I wrote, ma'am. Ma'am, I finished writing all the questions.
Okay. Now, Spandan, did you write down all these 3 questions?
I think the 3 questions are answered.
No, you don't have to write the answer right now. You just need to write the questions.
Okay, I wrote the question.
Question 4. Can we purify?
Here.
Can we purify water? Can we purify water? First question. 5th question. How do we purify water? Okay. 6th question. Why should we purify water? Why should we purify water? Done writing?
Ma'am, last one, ma'am.
Okay. What is hydroponics? So these are your 7 questions. You quickly write these down.
Done, ma'am. Finished.
Ma'am, I got A4 sheets of paper.
That is your drawing book. You are not supposed to tear pages from your drawing book. I need proper A4 sheets.
Ma'am, this is the best you can get.
You are in no position to bargain, Ishan.
Ma'am, but these are the best A4 sheets I have.
Okay, show me. Okay, open up. Okay, you take out the sheets and you write today's date and then you write science project.
Ma'am, I'm writing the 6th question. I can't see what.
Yes, I am coming back there. Spandan, just
Ma'am, so we are not doing the activity today, project today.
Jaslyn, are you done writing?
Yes,
Why
sir.
are you in a hurry always? Did I leave the class? Am I not there to explain you further? What it is? Tell me.
Yes, I'm
I
writing.
just asked, are we doing the activity today?
Which activity? The periscope. Of course, we are doing it. First, you finish writing these questions.
I finished.
And even before doing those activity, only if everybody has done or completed yesterday's activity, which you were supposed to do, only then we will do the activity that was assigned for today, or else we are not doing it.
Ma'am, I kept on trying to do it, but
Ma'am, yesterday I
all
was
my
not at
alphabets
home because
every time they were wrong.
I went for a wedding after my class, and I came in the night, so I can
Assume
do it today.
responsibility, my dear. You have to squeeze in some time somewhere. It is your studies,
But
not
I was not
I.
at home.
Porics.
Ma'am, I will do it today and send it.
Hydroponics. Hydroponics.
What
Okay.
is
Don't ask me. I am asking you. Okay.
no.
Think of some type of gas.
These are the 7 questions. You, Ishan, wait. There are 3 more questions. When your friends will be having their break, you will write that down then.
Ma'am, I'm done.
So on Monday, I want the answers written to these 7 questions. And in the class, you will promptly mail it to me. In the class, okay? The moment you join the class, I join the class, you mail it to me. And if I don't receive the answer from anybody, you are out of the project. No consideration, no bargaining. And yes, Ishan, I know you pay even after that. Okay.
Ma'am, should I send from Steer Exams?
As of now, you just mail me when and what you need to send me through Steer. I will let you know. Okay. Now Ishan stays back. The rest of you can go for the break if you are done writing.
Yes, ma'am, we are done. I think.
Okay,
I'm
Ishan,
done.
put today's date, write science project, and start copying these questions first.
Okay.
Manha, done?
Ma'am, do we have to write the answer also?
You have to submit the answer on Monday in the class.
Ma'am, all of the answers.
All the answers to these 7 questions.
Ma'am, why can't we just get spotlighted?
Ishan,
Ma'am,
you are in no position to bargain. I am asking you to do something, you have to do it.
Ma'am, I'm not bargaining, I'm asking.
No, I ask you to write, you
ma'am,
write. Ham Manha, bolo. Yes, Manha,
can you
tell.
put the other page?
Yes, hold on a minute. I will put the other page. Which question you are at? And you will be writing the answer in those white sheets, Ishan, by using your hand, either with a pencil or pen. Okay? Let Manha finish. You stay back, Ishan. You write down the 7 questions. Done, Manha? Okay. Now write. I'm here. I'm going nowhere. Don't worry.
Okay, ma'am. You can stay.
You write the question and you show it to me that you have written the question.
Ma'am, by spotlight.
First, you finish writing the 7 questions, then we see how do you show it to me.
I'm done with writing 3 questions. Ma'am, done.
Show it to me. I can't see anything. Nothing I can see. You use a darker pencil for doing all these writing work. Your pencil is very light. Use a dark HB pencil. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am, from now on I'll use dark.
Okay, you are going nowhere. Sit down.
Why?
Next question. Next Monday, when you come for your class, you
You have
come
to give me
prepared.
answers.
You have to come with the answers and you have to mail me the answer immediately right there in the class. If you don't do it, you are out of the project, you are out of the science class. Am I clear? No bargaining. I know you pay even after that. Okay?
Okay.
It is not only you who is paying, Ishan. Everybody who
Ma'am,
is
I
coming
know
here
everyone.
is paying, right?
Ma'am, so no one goes to the waiting room.
Because nobody defies me. They are much behaved. Nobody says to me that no, we pay. That is why we would do whatever we wish to do. It's only you who is so unruly and misbehaving in your nature, right? So no break for you. You are sitting right here in front of me. You're going nowhere.
Ma'am, and what if I don't?
What if you don't? Then I will not teach grade science, grade 4 science.
No, man. Why?
Okay, Ishan?
Okay, ma'am.
I think that will make you really happy, isn't it?
Going on a break is fine.
No, you're not going for break anywhere. You're sitting right there.
Fine, I'm fine with that. It's actually good.
Now show me what the activity that you were supposed to do yesterday. You're supposed to write a poem for 4 lines.
Writing my alphabets, see, every time got messed up. Then
I
I had
don't
to.
mind. I don't mind. I just need to see something that you have written. And this is also for Spandan. Show me.
Man,
Ma'am, I erased it all, and when I was continuously trying to write it, was continuously failing, I erased it.
man.
I want to see it. I don't know. Yes, Spandan.
Couldn't do any of the activities because I had just got a lot of pain in my hands. So I couldn't.
Okay, very good. I don't have pain in my hand. I can very easily and promptly give you zeros in your activity. I will do so. Thank you.
I could spell it didn't work.
You have spared me a lot of time. Now I can read nice books rather than checking your activities. Very good. Don't do it.
Ma'am, I did the activity.
Okay. Did you see it? Did you see the
Yes.
constellation?
Yes.
Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes. Jaslyn, you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to find out time for your own
Ma'am, I tried
assignments.
when it worked.
It worked, it did not work.
It worked.
It worked. And
Ma'am,
what
but
was
my
the-
stars are looking very awkward.
It's okay. This is the first time you're doing it. The next time when you do it, it will be more much more better, right? Now, Manha, did you write the poem you were supposed to write using the Leonardo alphabet? I said
Ma'am,
only
I,
4 lines.
Ma'am, I didn't do it.
You didn't do it. Why? So, if you don't do it, you don't leave me any option rather than giving you very low marks in your activity. What can I do? I can't help, no?
And what is alphabet? I always forget it.
Alphabets are letters.
Yes, no, not Brian, but then what was that?
Leonardo's alphabets are those upside down Z, upside down A, and all.
Leandro.
Shan, your information and knowledge is of no use if you don't work. Okay, so
Ma'am, I know that.
once you show me that you have actually worked with anything, then we will see.
But at least I can help my classmates.
First you help yourself, then you help others. Okay,
Okay.
so all of you, at least Jaslyn and Manha will get half of the marks allotted. Ishan Spandan gets 0.
Yeah.
And until and unless you finish the other activity, we are not moving forward with any activities.
Yay.
Very happy, no?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
You are giving me all the reasons to not teach grade 4.
Ma'am, I'll be able to do better in the next activity. 100% sure.
You know what, Ishan? You talk a lot and there is no action in your part. And you think you are some very big shot.
Ma'am, I'm not.
Yes, you. That is how you behave in the class. As if you know everything under the sky. And you can't even write a small poem. 4 lines. You can't even draw circles. You can't even draw stars.
Ma'am, I have a compass for that. And technology can help us.
First, be competent enough to use the technology.
Ma'am, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't even draw a star.
Ma'am, yes, so technology will help me, no?
No, technology will not help you.
Yes, it will.
It will not.
Ma'am, it will.
How? It will help you to draw stars. It
Yes.
will help you to learn and get good marks in examination. Did your technology help you to do the activity? Did it?
Ma'am, technology can help you do activities, yeah.
Also, show me no how the technology has helped you to do the activity.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I can show you. Let me use the technology and I'll show you.
So use it and show me, no?
Ma'am, yeah, fine. So when will I do it?
So why were you waiting for me? You are so intelligent. You know so much. So why didn't you use your technology and finish the activity?
Ma'am, because you won't allow it.
At least you do and show me, ma'am. You don't allow, but then I
Fine,
have
I'll
done
do
it.
it. So give me time. No, I'll do it.
I have given you already time, right? For the
Ma'am,
activity.
I thought it wasn't allowed.
What were you by using technology? How would you draw the constellation and cut it? How would you do it? Tell me. What technology will you use? Who will cut the stars for you? A robot? Do you have a robot at home?
Ma'am, yes.
Where?
He cleans everything.
For you?
Yes.
Show me the robot.
Ma'am, fine. I'll show it to you, but currently it's charging.
Okay. So the robot will cut the stars for you, huh?
Ma'am, no, but soon I can just ask Google and And somehow it will be able to.
It will help you to cut the stars of the constellation.
Ma'am, something will. If
Okay, you use whatever technology you want to do, and I want the activities on Monday.
I'm fine, got it.
Whatever technology you wish to do, you do it. You use it and give me the activities, right? And the answer to these 7 questions.
Ma'am, yeah, fine. Good
Fine?
thing with all of it. Yeah, fine.
Okay, and if I don't get anything, you don't attend my science class.
Yeah, sure.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. All of you heard what Ishan said, correct?
Yes.
Very nice. So he will use whatever technology is available to him to complete the activities and show it to me on Monday. And if he doesn't, he will not join the science class. Or rather, I will not join the science class. Which is better, Ishan? Tell me. You are paying me,
I'm
no?
not joining the science class.
I'm not joining the science class.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for deciding for me.
Yes.
I'll keep the management posted regarding this. Okay?
I'm fine. We can.
Okay? Are you
Yeah,
happy?
yeah, I'm fine. I'm not that happy. Not that sad. I'm fine. Okay, okay.
No, no, you said me not coming for the science class. Good
Ma'am,
for me only.
ma'am, because I still want to be there.
Huh,
Because,
so you be there, no?
ma'am, why would I suffer alone?
No, no,
Because,
no, no, no. You be there. We will get you another very nice teacher. Okay? Who will not scold you. Okay?
okay, I guess.
Fine. Now coming back to the project. We are not doing the activity anyways. Jaslyn, quickly open up your book and tell me what all chapters we have already done. Ishan, not Ishan, Spandan, Jaslyn, and Manna, you find with Ishan's decision that if he will not get the activity done by using whatever technology is available to him, I will not teach science to you. Is it fine by you?
Means only Anna or everyone.
I will not teach science at all for grade 4.
Right now, I'm feeling very guilty, so I can't tell anything.
You only take the class, ma'am, please.
No, no, no. Ishan said no. He's so smart. He knows everything.
I'm like,
He's paying the fees. So he should decide.
Everybody is stop being sarcastic now. I don't like that at all.
oh guys, are you just making me feel very
Then
guilty?
let ma'am teach us. You wanted to teach science class or not? Then let her teach.
Okay. Now, this activity, this science project that we will be doing, I have already given you 7 questions. The next thing is why we are doing a project, or rather, what we will do. I'll talk very briefly about it because when you find the answers for these questions, you will understand what we are doing. So, as of now, the population of the world is increasing rapidly. Okay,
Yeah, that's correct.
and the land is becoming
More.
lesser and lesser. The availability of land is becoming lesser and lesser, right?
Yeah, ma'am. When population increase, there will be
And did
more.
I ask you to speak? I will give chance to everybody to speak. Let
Ma'am.
me let me finish. And the water is also becoming scarce. Yes,
Yes.
and around 70% of the water that is available, fresh water I'm talking about, is used for the purpose of agriculture.
Yeah, because we need to feed ourselves.
Okay, so land is not available. Enough land is not available. The population is increasing day by day. We don't have enough clean water. So what do we do?
Ma'am,
So there has to be some way out, right?
ma'am, we check on other planets for resources.
Right.
Excuse me, scientists are already doing looking for it.
Ishan, the day you will start submitting your activity and assignment and everything, then you talk about going to other planet. Okay.
Ma'am, no, they'll just take the resources. It's time. We're already thinking of it by 2030, it will be possible.
First do what you are supposed to do.
Okay,
Then you talk about being a scientist and everything, right?
okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, so what do we do? We have to do something, right? Manha, Jaslyn,
Yes.
done. We have to do something, right? So, as we do this project, you will get some idea of what to do to solve this problem or to take care of the situation in a different way. So through this project, you will get to know how we can live, how we can live and survive even when there is shortage of land and shortage of availability of water, clean and clear water. And there is an ever increasing population. Okay. How we can take things in our control even when we have very less space, even if we don't have soil, even we even if we have limited amount of water available to us. In presence of all these difficulties, we will be able to grow and do agriculture.
Ma'am, because of machines.
Okay. So this form of living is called as sustainable living. What
Ma'am,
it is called?
Sustainable living.
Sustainable living, right?
ma'am, currently artificial islands are being built, so the land scarcity problem can be dealt with, but the thing is the water scarcity problem. Now that is the thing that is tough.
So sustainable living has many things. So we will be looking at sustainable agriculture. What do you mean by agriculture, Jaslyn?
Agriculture is getting food
Farming.
and farming. Mm.
Agriculture. Agriculture means it has to do with growing crops, right?
Yes.
Growing fiber, growing timber, growing fruit, growing flowers, growing vegetables, anything that is required for us to feed us.
Breeding animals.
Hmm?
Breeding animals.
That comes under farming. That does not come under agriculture.
Ma'am, but but farming is a part of agriculture, right?
Agriculture is a part of farming.
Oh,
So if we do sustainable farming, then we also include how to take care of animals and how animal can also be a part of sustainable agriculture. Am I making any sense to you, Yaslin, Vanha, Spandan?
And this is something like I always see something like this thing what you told in news, but I don't understood that much of it. I understood that what is agriculture and we can do farming and do that. I understood that, but I couldn't understood anything very
So
good.
as you find the answer for those questions and as we proceed in doing the project, you will be able to understand, right? Now, two, three very, very, very important things I'll say, and we will wind up this class. No matter what, okay, no matter what, if you do not stick to, okay, let me stop sharing it. I'll just speak, you listen up. No matter what, if you do not abide by your deadlines, whoever be it, Manha, Jaslyn, Ishan, Spandan, Arnav, they're out of the project.
ma'am, Arnav is Mausi's wedding.
Ishan, can you keep quiet?
Ma'am, I was just saying.
Or as you pay, you can speak anytime, anywhere, anytime in between, right? Because you're paying. Hmm?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
They are not paying, no?
They are paying.
Then, have you ever heard them talking in those lines?
Ma'am, not because I talk a lot.
Shall we not argue and talk good to each other? Spandan, who are you to give suggestions as of now? First, you do your homework, please, bacha, and then you give me suggestions. Okay, first you be responsible towards your work. Then I
Okay.
will take suggestions from everybody. I don't mind.
Okay.
So
I have some problem because of that I couldn't do it.
this is the moment I'm giving you a reminder that if you miss a deadline, you're out of the project. I, whoever it is, I don't mind. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
No excuse will work. Ma'am, this, ma'am, that, pain in hand, pain in leg, pain in brain, this, that, party. No. If it is actually something serious, you keep me informed earlier. I'll give you more time, extra time. Am I clear? And the entire project you have to do it. It is not only writing. First, you will write and find ways how to do the project. Then you will actually be doing the project by buying different materials that are required. And you do the setup, you do the project, you see how it works out. Okay, manually. And then you find out the result. And then you give me the conclusion that will this work if we want to have a sustainable agriculture for future. Am I making any sense to you?
Yes.
Yes.
So you
No.
have to actually do the project with your own hands and see it. You have to set it up at your home and do it. But for that, you have to find out how to do it. In your books, you have seen, no? Activity 4.4, it is written how to do the activity. Yes or no?
Yes.
What are the materials required? It is written, yes or no?
Yes.
So for this project, you find out the methods, how to do it. You come back to me. I will tell you, is it right or not? Any changes you need to do it, I will help you with that. But initially, all of you will have to come to me with the methodology, with how to write the project and everything. So on Monday, I will again elaborate more, give you some documents that you have to keep on filling and writing. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes, Ishan, what is that you want to tell me?
Ma'am, can we also add our own touches to the activity?
No, you can't. This is not an activity. This is a project.
Ma'am, to the project, I mean like adding like it more, making it more realistic and all.
First, you at least find the answer to the 7 questions. There, then you talk all big, big things.
Ma'am, so
Huh?
after that, ma'am, I'm saying.
First, you do what you are asked to do, then we will see. Okay?
uh,
You are all talking, but no work, right?
yes, ma'am, I'm good at talking, but not at writing. That's what everybody says.
Yeah, you are just good at, not even good at talking. You are just into talking, and you don't know what to say to whom. Okay? So you have got your assignment for your project, and your project begins. If you support and be in sync, follow the deadlines, we will be able to do the project nicely.
Okay.
Okay? Any question regarding the 7 questions about agricultural sustainability? Anything that is coming into your mind?
Ma'am, can you show them again?
The questions?
Can you show the questions again?
I will.
Ma'am, can we live without farming?
No, you
No.
can't.
I'm checking if everything matters.
I will read the questions to you again. Can plants grow in water? How plants can grow in water? Why should we grow plants in water? Can we purify water? How do we purify water? Why should we purify water? Why, not why, I'm so sorry. What is hydroponics?
Ma'am, I wrote what because why wasn't making sense.
What is hydroponics? Okay. So when do you give me the answer to these? Next
Monday.
Monday. 19, 20, 22nd of February.
22 of February.
22nd. Yes, today is 19th, right? Today is Friday. So that makes Monday.
Ma'am, if you couldn't send it,
You don't have to send it. You have to write it down and you have to send it to me in the class. Once you join the class, then you mail it to me. As of now, you mail the document, your handwritten document, and then we will see. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And Ishan has an added thing. You use whatever technology is available to you and finish your two activities. One is constellation making, and second, writing a poem using Leonardo's alphabet, 4 lines of poem.
Okay.
Ishan?
Okay, ma'am.
I'm at the question first.
And you will also tell me what technology you used to do those activities, right?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
So the activity and the answer to this question will be your pass of entry into the class. Okay?
Ma'am, pass of entry as in if I don't do this, will I not be allowed to come in science class?
Yes.
Ma'am, impossible, impossible, ma'am.
We will see about it, Ishan. What is possible and what is not possible.
Impossible. Ma'am, that's literally impossible. Impossible, ma'am.
We will see to it, Ishan. Okay? And you are not arguing with me. Okay? Okay. Rest of you, chalo. Ishan, stay back for a minute.
Ma'am, why?
Manha, Spandan, bye.
Bye, ma'am.